Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you how to clip Roblox with Meadow. Now guys, quick one guys, just need to come to your settings. First of all, make sure you're logged into your Meadow account. Then come and click on quick settings here. After that, click on the settings itself. Then over here, come and tap on the recorder over here. And make sure this one is turned on. After that, we shall come back to the home page and you will see over here the search bar. So here the search bar, search for that Minecraft. You choose this one which has the Roblox game, this one over here, and the best edition. Now go ahead and tap on it. Then after that, you can click on play on Roblox. Now it automatically clip your Roblox with Meadow and you'll all be good to go. So thanks for watching guys. Subscribe.